Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can measure the temperature and the humidity at your place using this DHT11 sensor. Let's talk about the wiring. So you can see here you have a negative, which is ground. The other side here is the positive, and that's the 5 volt. The middle pin is going to be the digital pin. In this scenario, I'm using the D5. Now, you can use a different digital pin if you want. I'm just using the D5, and that's the code that I'm going to be giving you. It's going to be using the D5. The OLED is already connected to the Arduino on the text passion shield here. I have a separate video explaining the text passion shield, but for this video, if you want to ignore the text passion shield and just use sensor, an Arduino, and an OLED, that should still be fine. Now, let me go to the PC and give you the code. But before I do so, just to prove to you that this is working, I'm going to bring this fire next to the sensor and see if the temperature goes up. So right now, it's reading 77. But as I stay with the fire close, then I expect the reading to go up in a few seconds. And as you can see, the reading already start to go up, and now it's reading at 84. Now, we prove that this is working. Let's go to the computer and give you the code so you can build for yourself. Now we are on the computer. Let me go over the code. Of course, I will leave this on my website and I will leave a link in the description for you to copy and paste. Now, also, I have another video for the air quality sensor. Eventually, I want to combine both into a single project, and I will make that available in the future. But for now, let's go over the code really quick. This is the library for the sensor, and this is the library for the OLED. If you don't want to use an OLED, you can still use the serial monitor. It's easier in case you don't want to deal with an OLED screen. Now, this is the pin, and I'm using D5 like I mentioned, and this is the sensor type. Down here is the OLED object and the setup for the OLED screen. And there's a small delay between reading, so the measurement can settle in. So I left a 2 seconds of delay in between. And then the humidity and the temperature. This first one reading the temperature. This is for the humidity. Here we are checking that we are actually getting a reading from the sensor and then converting the Celsius to Fahrenheit. For me, I live in the US, so Fahrenheit make more sense to me. Now, this piece here is just displaying the numbers on the OLED screen. If you don't want a Fahrenheit and you want a Celsius, you can just skip the conversion. If you want to skip this part, then you can display the temperature and that will be in Celsius. So I hope this makes sense. I will leave a code in the description, and in the future, I will have another video where I will make like a full on air quality and temperature plus humidity project, and I will make that available in the future. Of course, I will provide more details when that is ready. This is it for this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.